Hi, my name is Stanley Bullock. My wife Mabel and I have been here for around 25 years. We had masonite siding on this house. We decided it was time to paint, so we had to make a decision on whether we was going to repaint it or we was going to put siding on. So we decided to get siding. We called a bunch of contractors. Carolina Stereos was one. We called a number of others, and we wanted windows. They came in, gave us a great deal on this. We decided to go with Carolina Exteriors. They did an awesome job, as you can see looking at the house. The crew was magnificent. They came in, they did the job in less than time, and it was just wonderful. We have family and friends that come by now, wants to know who did our house. And we have some family and friends come by, don't even recognize the house. So it was a great job.